What? What the hell are you talking about? Get my pyramid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's like, oh my god, I'm gonna show myself out. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. So you wanted to see the Billie Eilish vibe that I posted on Instagram? Well, at least one of you did. Cool. So half of it is an attitude and just like accessories, which we're halfway there. Wow. The other half is super simple and like it's actually really basic, easy makeup. And so this is gonna be a breeze. Start out with your face already done, some foundation and shit. If you don't wear foundation, that's totally fine, you know, do you. But next we're gonna do brows. Even if you don't fill your brows in normally, if you're trying to get the Billie Eilish look, you're probably gonna want to, or at least add a little something extra to the front, because she kind of has like bushy eyebrows. So do your brows how you normally would, but then you're gonna bring them a little closer in. Make sure to go really lightly towards the middle, or towards the center though. You don't want it to look too harsh, like what I just did. So if you do that, don't panic. Where's my just get a spoolie and brush through. Now we need mascara, black mascara. I mean, I'm using black because my hair is black. We're gonna do a teensy tiny little bit of eyeshadow, not a lot, but just to kind of mimic, because she has huge eyes and I have hooded eyes, so I need to add a little bit of eyeshadow just to kind of help me a little bit. So I'm dipping into this. This looks dark, but it's a contour shade, so it's actually not too pigmented. Another good option is the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox. Lots of cool tone shades in there of differing darknesses. So what we're gonna do with that is pop it in the crease. You can always add more, but taking away is kind of a bitch, so build up, you know? And I'm adding a little bit of my contour color right under, just a little bit, because I have a bunch of foundation and concealer on, but she kind of does have like that little tired looking vibe, no offense, but I need to add a little bit more darkness down there just so it looks a little bit more natural. And then just pop a cream colored eyeshadow or something that is a little bit lighter than your skin tone on the lid, just to bring focus to the lid. Let's curl our lashes. I'm gonna pop on some mascara. Well, I'm only gonna put it on the top for now, actually, because I forgot a step. Before you put anything on those lower lashes, honey, you need to put your waterline pencil in there. We're gonna go for a skin tone color, something that matches what you got going on already. I like to do this before my mascara, because I swear if I do this after, it always just gets on my lashes. It's a pain. The eyes are like the focal point of this look, so take your time, grab a mirror, get up there, make sure every single lower lash is coated. Alright, last thing we're going to do is take a lip color that is kind of similar to your own natural lip color. This is La by ColourPop. I'm going to take some of it away, because I just more so want like an evening of my own natural lip color. And then gloss. I'm just doing Lust gloss by ColourPop. So just to elevate the look, I'm adding a little bit of lashes. A little bit. I'm adding some lashes. And there you have it. It's minimal and it's easy and it's basic, and I swear if I wasn't wearing this getup, it's just a normal no makeup look with bushy brows. So hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If there's any other look-alike type of vibe tutorials that you want me to do, let me know also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.